Alright guys, this is Madam Peku Africa, all the way from Mercy Divine Properties, and as you can see, we are standing in front of our office. This is Mercy Divine Properties premises. This is our office that is located off Odili Road, number 181, opposite the Republic in Port-Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria. So don't forget to call Madam Peku on 0903429651 to get your own plot of New Banana Highland. A plot is 7 million naira and is located off Odili Road. Remember, there is a link road from New Banana Highland to Port-Harcourt Refinery that is about to start operation in order to help in reducing the fuel price. So a lot of people are rushing this location because it has a lot of access routes, okay, and it's leading directly from Odili Road down to refinery. So we are waiting for you, and the number again to call is 090-34296519. Some of our drivers went to fuel the car, and in a few minutes time they'll be here and we'll be taking off. All right, see you, and I'm waiting for you.